Okay, so this is a video for people who would like to connect to the Dawson apartment wireless network. And this is something that's really only going to be relevant to people who are actually within range of the network, and also people who have a username and password. So, assuming that's the case, first thing you're going to want to do is click on the wireless network dialog in the taskbar, and here you'll see the networks, and we're going to be connecting to this Dawson apartment 2. But first we need to open the network and sharing center, and that's going to give us access to this dialog. And here we're going to want to manage wireless networks. In my case, I don't have any, so I'm going to want to add. You're going to want to add this new one that we're connecting to, and that's Dawson apartment 2, and that's 2 with 2 I's, 2 uppercase I's make the 2 in this case. Okay, and then under the security type, you're going to want to put in WPA2 Enterprise. And for the encryption type, AES is good. Security key, leave that blank. And so from here we can click Next, and it successfully added the network, so we can go ahead and close out of here. Okay, so that looks good. Now, go back to your networks down here, and you will notice now that you have this Properties Context dialog. So if you select, do that again, if you select the Dawson Apartment 2 network here, and then you right click, we'll get those properties, and that will open up a properties dialog for the network. And here you're going to see the settings we already put in, but you will also see this Microsoft PEAP settings. So you want to click that, and here you're going to want to untick the validate certificate. We've got the fish from the screensaver in the background photobombing this, but okay. Then under the configure button, you're going to want to uncheck this. We're going to be using the new username and password that you have, and not the Windows password. Okay, and then click OK, and then back here under click Advanced Settings, and here you want to click the authentication mode, tick that off, and then change it to user authentication. Okay, so everything looks good. This other tab, we shouldn't need to change anything on that. So everything looks good. So we can go ahead and click OK. And we're back to the Windows, the Dawson Apartment 2 properties. Click OK. So now if we go here, go back and do this one final time. And now when we click connect, you should get this. And here you can just enter your username and password. Okay. And so it's trying to connect, and now it's connected. Okay, so that was fairly easy. Now let's go over here and open a browser just to be sure. Looks good. We have internet access, and I'll run a speed test real quick. Usually I've been getting around 30, but 35, we'll see. Sometimes it's a little faster, sometimes a little slower. I'm also on a future video, I'm going to show you how to watch TV on your computer. And that's something that first thing you'll have to be able to do is connect to this network, and then once you're connected to the network, you can actually watch TV, that's cable TV, including premium channels in some cases. I'll probably have to do a couple different videos just to, because there's a few different scenarios. So stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions about connecting to the network, just let me know. If you're using a different operating system, or if you don't have a wireless network card, or if you just can't get the connection to work, let me know. Those are all things I can help you with. Okay, have a good night.